So the same color I used on her as her base, I'm going to use as a highlight under her brow, just to accentuate it a little more, because this color is so vibrant. So I'm going to take the same big brush with the color I used as her base, and just a little bit put it under the brow and concentrate it under the brow as a highlight. So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time, just underneath the brow, just to give a nice highlight. This is a iridescent color, so I want to just highlight the underneath the brow a little bit. And look at the difference already from one to the other. It just definitely gives that shape to the face underneath the brow by using that highlight. And then I'm going to highlight the inside of the eye, the inside corner of the eye as well. I'm going to use a light green color or a light teal color with a pencil brush, and I'm going to highlight the inside corner of the eye. And that's going to really accentuate that teal blue or teal green that we're using. Just a little bit. And it's going to brighten up the eye. Look how amazing that looks already, just by adding those highlights.